Spencer? Or is that yours?
That's Caleb's. There's a lot of chomping going on.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's a new frog guy.
What does it do? That's kind of cool that somebody thought of that.
Can you open this now? Can you open this
Sure.
flashlight, Daddy?
Sure. Let me see what we got here. So I think you open this up. What if somebody made this?
Savannah, you got a bunny book.
Put this in there somehow.
Savannah, that's Daddy's. Are you stealing from the baskets already?
Look at the nuts.